Hello everyone, this is Ankit from Kailasha Foundation Funnel Learn portal. We were requested to solve this set of questions of statistics from one of our WhatsApp queries. Uh, so I'm solving this. If the questions are not visible to you, I'll read them aloud so that you are able to listen the questions. The question is Investec Investment Banking Corporation listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange as analyze the value of purchases made on credit cards by a sample of 25 of its credit card clients. The sample mean was found to be 170.08 with a sample standard deviation of 21.90. Okay. Uh, First thing is, these three questions are forming a group, and you must know few things. There are two kinds of numbers, small n and capital N. Small n is sample size, capital N is population size. If the population size is not given and there are no special conditions in the question, then you can assume n to be fairly large or infinite. This assumption gives you the freedom to ignore the FPC, finite population correction factor. Means your problem becomes easy. The calculation is not hectic. Okay. And as far as I have read the questions, all three parts of the first question 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3, all these questions have n very large and FPC can be ignored. Okay. Now there are two kinds of standard deviation: population standard deviation sigma and sample standard deviation S. If population standard deviation is given, then SE is equal to sigma upon root over n. If sample standard deviation is given, then SE is equal to S upon root over n minus 1. This is the basic difference between these two formula. And then error is equal to Z value into SE. What is Z? Z is confidence coefficient. Okay. Z is confidence coefficient. So I must tell you about Z. If Z is 95%, if Z is 1.96, then it is 95% confidence. If it is 99%, then it will be 2.58. If 99.73 or confidence level is not given or not given, means almost accurate, then 3. Okay. If it is 98, then 2.33. Okay. And when you know Z, when you know SE also, then you know error. And population mean is sample mean minus error to sample mean plus error. Okay. For example, if sample mean is 10 and error comes to be 2, then population mean will vary from 8 to 12. That is 10 minus 2 to 10 plus 2. Okay. So this is the process which you'll have to follow to solve these questions. First question is sample of 25 clients. Okay, n is equal to 25. Sample mean was 170.08. Uh, Sample standard deviation is 21.90. Okay, and 95% confidence. Z is equal to 1.96. Okay, S is given not sigma, so SE is equal to Z, 1 minute, S upon root n minus 1, that is 21.90 upon root 24. Error is equal to 1.96 into 21.90 upon root 24. So 1.96 into 21.90 and root 24 is 1 minute. First we find root 24, 4.899. Okay, 4.89 and 1.96 into 21.90 divided by 4.899, that is 877, sorry, 8.3, 8.77. There's a calculation mistake. Let me show you. 24 root 4.899. Okay, 1.96 into 21.90 divided by 4.899, that is 8.762. Error is 8.762 and mean is 170.08. Okay, so if we round off the decimal, that then it will be 8.76 and x bar is this. So mean will be 170.08 minus 8.762, 170.08 plus 8.76. Okay, so it will be 161.32 to 178.84. Okay, first this is first part of the first question. Now we come to second part. A human capital executive for a mining investments think tank has asked one of his lieutenants to estimate the true mean employment period of gold miners over the past decade. Okay, from a sample of 144 gold miners. Okay, sample of 144 gold miners, n is equal to 144. Okay, sample mean is 88.4. X bar is equal to 88.4 months. Uh, Population standard deviation is assumed to be 21.5 months. Population standard deviation 21.5 months. Employment periods being normally distributed. Employment periods normally distributed. Compute the 98% confidence interval estimate for the actual employment. Okay, 98% confidence interval, that is Z is equal to 2.33, SE is equal to sigma upon root n, that is 21.5 divided by root 144, that is 21.5 upon 12. Okay, and error will be z into se, that is 2.33 into 21.5 upon 12, and you already have the mean. Now you can do uh, this minus error and this plus error, that will be your required mean. Okay, third one is sample of 100 car commuters. Okay, 100 car commuters, n is equal to 100. Sample mean time travel to work daily was found to be 35.8 minutes. 35.8 minutes. uh, Population standard deviation is 11 minutes. Normally distributed, 90% confidence limits. 90%. So Z will be 1.645, 90% confidence interval, 1.645. Now you can easily find SE is equal to sigma upon root n, that is 11 upon root 100, that is 11 upon 10. Error is equal to 1.645 into 11 upon 10. Okay, so now you have mean already there, sample mean. So 35.8 minus this and 35.8 plus this, that will give you the confidence limits. So this was the first question of your assignment given here, and it is solved now. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, do like, do share, and do subscribe this channel. Happy learning. Bye bye. Thank you. And ask any doubts on 829 4600 829. Remember, this number is for WhatsApp only, not for call.